The only complaint I want to say is that the Televue and many other manufacturers, the rubber they use has a lot of electrostatic electricity with it. So it absorbs dandruff, dust, anything. The one that I have seen with the Takahashi LE eyepieces, they don't absorb anything, and that means they're neutral. So I wonder why they don't use that. Both of these are made in Japan, so why they don't use that? That's a mystery to me. Or is the Televue cheapskating? I think they could do better with this Eyegurd. This is a rubber one. The same rubber in the Takahashi, different material, doesn't absorb so much rubbish, and it is electrically is neutral. These ones are charged. You can see it. They're charged because they absorb any tiny particle, and you cannot remove them, no matter how much hard you try. I just want to say that, like all the Televue eyepieces, they make the rubber Eyegurd from a rubber which is quite, oh, it's coming off actually. Yeah, anyway, from a rubber which is electrostatically charged, and it absorbs dust very easily. Takahashi doesn't do that. Takahashi LE range, the rubber Eyegurd that they have, doesn't absorb the dust. So I wonder why they don't do it. Yeah, this kind of rubber Eyegurds, that is the reason that many people go for the something like a Pentax XW. Well, anyway, it came along, it was quite cheap, 150, so I bought it. And you can actually move this upward. Let me just do it and I will show you how it looks. Okay, this is the Takahashi LE eyepiece, 12.5mm, and as you can see, it's quite light, quite compact. The quality of the make is really good, like a Televue. The difference is that this rubber Eyegurd of this absolutely doesn't absorb any dust. I don't dare to use the flash when I'm filming, videoing the Televue, because all the dust will show on the intense light of a flash. But with the Takahashi, you will see at the end of this video, I just use the flash of the camera, and you can see there is no single speck of dust anywhere on this rubber Eyegurd of the Takahashi Eyepiece LE ones. And that's exemplary. I don't know why Televue doesn't go for this kind of eye. Look at the eye using the flash. You don't see a single dust, dandruff, or anything that is in the surrounding environment being attracted to these Eyegurds. Very clean. It just received it in the second hand. I've not even cleaned it or blown anything to it. Compared to the Televue, they're really clean and nice and neat. Most of the times I feel ashamed to use the flash on the Televue eyepieces. Okay, now I have modified my Mead ETX 125 to accept